Terrain Import Contour Rendering. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to import terrain data and enable contour rendering. We'll start by clicking the icon to import terrain, then select the option to download elevation data and hit the Import button. After that, you'll see the Options panel appear, and we can choose our starting point within the map view. This can come from a KML source, a LiDAR dataset, or simply from our current geolocation. In this case, we'll just use our own location, which opens up the map viewer. From here, we can navigate to the area we are interested in. We can either perform a search, enter latitude and longitude coordinates, and hit the Go To button, or just pan and zoom the map manually. I'm going to scroll to a specific location, and once I'm there, I'll click the Use Current View button. This will define the area we want, and it will begin downloading the elevation data for that region. We'll give it a few seconds to complete. At this point, we can choose to add other data sources. In this demo, we are not using LiDAR, so I'll click No. Next, it will automatically download the aerial imagery that will be used to texture the terrain. Once the imagery is loaded, we can see the terrain that has been generated. To enable contour lines, we can right-click on the map and select Toggle Contour Rendering. This will display the contour lines across the terrain. We can also adjust the step size, which controls how much elevation change occurs between each contour line. Right now it's set to 6 meters, so each line represents a 6 meter elevation difference. If we change it to 2 meters, you'll notice the lines get much closer together. In addition, we can modify the color gradient used to display the contours. For example, we can switch to a winter color map or try the Inferno color map, which gives a very distinct look. While we're in this mode, we can also enable surface analysis. When that's turned on, moving the pointer over the terrain will display elevation values at that location. You'll also see slope information, both in degrees and as a percentage. We can double-click anywhere on the terrain to fly to that point and take a closer look. You'll notice the slope values change as we move across the surface. This is especially useful when planning infrastructure, since flatter surfaces are usually more ideal. As we explore, we can see where the slope is low and where it becomes steeper.